Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 places to visit in Cologne, Germany. Cologne, or Köln as it is known in German, is a beautiful city in western Germany with a rich history, stunning architecture, and a vibrant cultural scene. Whether you're interested in history, art, or just exploring new places, there is something for everyone in Cologne. So, let's dive into the top 10 places to visit in Cologne. 1. Cologne Cathedral. Our first stop is the Cologne Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece and one of the most visited landmarks in Germany. The cathedral is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to many stunning works of art and architecture. Visitors can climb to the top of the cathedral for breathtaking views of the city. 2. Museum Ludwig. Next up is the Museum Ludwig, which is home to an extensive collection of modern and contemporary art, including works by some of the biggest names in the art world, such as Andy Warhol and Pablo Picasso. This museum is a must-visit destination for art lovers. 3. Cologne Zoo. For animal lovers, a visit to the Cologne Zoo is a must. The zoo is home to over 10,000 animals, including elephants, lions, and pandas. Visitors can also take part in feeding sessions and watch animal shows. 4. Hohenzollern Bridge. The Hohenzollern Bridge is a must-visit destination for anyone visiting Cologne. The bridge offers stunning views of the Rhine River and is famous for its lovelocks. Visitors can add their own lovelock to the bridge and enjoy the beautiful views. 5. Cologne Old Town. Next, we have the Cologne Old Town, a historic district that is home to many colorful buildings, narrow streets, and traditional German pubs. This is a great place to explore and experience the charm of Old World Europe. 6. Chocolate Museum. For those with a sweet tooth, the Chocolate Museum is a must-visit destination. Here, visitors can learn about the history of chocolate and indulge in some sweet treats. 7. Rhine Park. The Rhine Park is a large park along the Rhine River that offers plenty of green space and stunning views of the city. This is a great place to relax and take in the beauty of Cologne. 8. Wallraf Richartz Museum. The Wallraf Richartz Museum is home to an impressive collection of European art, including works by Rembrandt, Rubens, and Van Gogh. This museum is a great place to explore the world of art and history. 9. Fragrance Museum. For those interested in perfumes and fragrances, the Fragrance Museum is a must-visit destination. Here, visitors can learn about the history of perfume and Cologne's role in the fragrance industry. 10. Columba Museum. Last but not least, we have the Columba Museum, which is dedicated to contemporary art and is housed in a stunning modern building that contrasts with its medieval surroundings. This museum is a great place to explore the world of art and architecture. So there you have it, our top 10 places to visit in Cologne, Germany. Whether you're interested in history, art, or just exploring new places, there is something for everyone in this beautiful city. We hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to visit Cologne soon. Thank you for watching.